Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hiking Outdoor Family channel. Today we're going to go for a little kayaking trip. We're going to kayak in the Assawoman Canal located in the Bethany Beach area. We're going to launch from the public kayak dock that's located in Ocean View, Delaware. If you want to launch your kayak here and you need to park a vehicle, just be aware that this is considered a section of Delaware Seashore State Park. So you will have to pay park admission or make sure that you have a Delaware State Park pass. I hope you enjoy this paddle. As usual, we saw some pretty birds while paddling and we just had a nice relaxing time. Thank you so much for watching our video. Be sure to check out our channel page because we've got lots of other kayak trips posted in this local area and lots of other local hikes. There's a lot to check out on our channel page. I also just want to show you briefly some of the gear that we're using when we go kayaking. I'm going to put some links in the description to this stuff through our Amazon affiliate if anybody's interested in getting started in kayaking. This is kind of like your basic level stuff. It's perfect for like my teenage daughter and I to use. We really like these paddles. We like them because they can be taken apart and are very compact. This is just your basic life jacket. We've got a marine whistle, which is a requirement here in Delaware to have on your kayak. And then, of course, our dry sack bag, which is awesome, protects our camera equipment, my keys when we go kayaking. So if you're interested in getting started in kayaking, you might want to check out those links. Thanks for watching and have a great day.